In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the new Claude Code integration in your Slack workspace so you can analyze repos, delegate development tasks, and generate pull requests right from your team chats. It's a complete game changer for your workflows. So let's get into it. Before diving in, ensure that you have a Claude Pro, Max, Teams, or Enterprise plan with Claude Code web access enabled. And it's important to remember that this Slack integration only works in public or private channels, not in direct messages. First, to bring Claude's power into your team's conversations, you first need to install the app into your Slack workspace. Now, select the specific workspace you want Claude to join, then click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once confirmed, you will see a success screen indicating that Claude is installed. Next, open the installed Claude app from your Slack sidebar and navigate to the Home tab, where you will click the Connect Account button to select your organization and click Authorize. You will then see a screen confirming that you have successfully connected Claude to Slack, instructing you to return to your workspace. Before heading back to Slack, you need to set up your repo access by installing the Claude GitHub app. Navigate to the GitHub installation page, click on the green Install button, and then choose your permission level by selecting either all repos or using the drop-down under Only Select Repositories to select specific projects. Finally, click the green Install and Authorize button to finish, which will display a confirmation screen letting you know the GitHub app is installed. Before returning to Slack, briefly check your Claude web settings under Connections to ensure your GitHub integration shows as connected, so that the bot can properly access your code bases. Now back in the Slack app home tab under the welcome screen, locate the model selection dropdown to choose which specific Claude model, such as Opus, you want to power your conversations. Directly below the model selection, configure your routing mode by selecting code only for strict technical tasks or code plus chat to let the system intelligently route messages between coding sessions and general chat assistance. To start using Claude in specific conversations, navigate to your desired channel and type /invite@Claude in the message box. Claude will join the channel and automatically introduce itself, briefly explaining how it securely collects and processes thread context to help you with your task. Once invited, tag @Claude with a greeting or specific request to trigger the integration. When you mention Claude in a thread, it automatically reads the recent messages to gather context, meaning you can reply directly to your existing bug reports or feature discussions to give Claude the exact background information it needs. If Claude detects coding intent but doesn't know which project to look at, it will prompt you to click the Select Repository button. A selection pop-up window will appear where you can use the drop-down menu to choose your specific connected GitHub repo. And you can check the optional box at the bottom to set this as default for all future coding requests within that channel. Now you can explicitly ask Claude to perform a task by tagging it again, such as asking it to analyze your repo. You can also ask it to build entire features and generate the pull requests in a single prompt. For example, I'm going to ask Claude to create a snake game and open a PR on my test repo. Claude will get to work, and I'll click on the View Session button to watch its progress and terminal commands in real time on the web interface. Once finished, we'll go back to Claude and we'll look at the Slack thread with a summary of the new features and a direct link to the newly opened pull request. Click on that link to review the changes in GitHub, and then we can click on the green Merge Pull Request button and hit Confirm to successfully integrate our new code and close this request. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning AI teammate integrated directly into your Slack workspace, ready to write, review, and merge code on command. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.